So the question we have, how to cash out Devnet. So first of all, you have to understand that what this Devnet is, why it exists, and how we can utilize it for testing a smart contract and building something on top of the test network, like a decentralized application. You cannot able to make any money out of it. Like this trace token has no real value in the industry. It's there. It's help you to provide you as a tool which you can utilize to build your application for testing purpose. But when it's come to a monetary value, there is no monetary value in that, but you can convert that into a monetary value. So if you look at all the tools, all the softwares right now, we have a Solana playground which gives you 5 devnet token which you can utilize to test and deploy your contract on the Solana blockchain. In the same way, we have actually like other tools like third wave, bunch of tools you will find which gives you free faucet which you can utilize to test your contract. So what you can do, you can simply build an application where you can allow user to claim a free faucet right from your tab, and you can run a promotional ad campaign on that. You can run a Google AdSense, you can promote any kind of tools software as an affiliate. That's what you can do. And you might be thinking that why people will utilize your tool for getting their test depth. They can go to other website and they can get from there. So you can build a business logic around it. In case of Solana, it's give you 5 free faucet which you can claim in every 24 hours. So what you can do, you can build a business logic around it. You can simply build an automatic bot which is going to make a call to every single this platform and claim. And you're going to build a simple sort of game or simple sort of feature which allow them to get 1 token, 2 token every an hour, every 3 hour, 4 hour. You can do that very easily. You can simply automate the entire process to get the free faucet from different platform and provide it in a one centralized place, and from there we can distribute it. So you can drive traffic to your website, you can mail through Google AdSense, you can collaborate with any Web3 providers, and where you can simply promote their tools. That's how you can cash it. So this is a very simple business logic which you can build around it, and you can do that very easily.